Good hello to my judges. It's another day. And I'm sitting at this thing once again. Fun times. Gonna edit a vlog and then I got a flyer to do, but I'm gonna do much as I can before I go out. And you got Lynn's dust on your lens again. Anyways, and then before I go to a birthday party. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun night. Oh, text message, yay! Just got here at Drew's. Hey Drew, happy birthday! With the pink balloons and everything. Everyone's here. I haven't seen everyone in the vlog in a while. Hey bro. Oh, too late, you're already in, girl.
It's Andrew's birthday.
You're already in, girl.
Hence all the pink decorations.
It's a girl! It might be mean. I'm gonna draw on one with the Sharpie. Please, you have a Sharpie. Please tell me you have a Sharpie. Oh, yes, you do! Sharpie. I'm sorry. I had to do it. One, if you ever see this, I'm so sorry. Hey, one! How you doing? Damn it! Hi! That's where I have nothing. See, I have nothing. I have nothing. I have nothing. I have nothing in my hands. Nothing. It was Andrew. No. Peanut. Ew, gross. I don't know if you guys can see that, but Peanut has a big old grasshopper in her mouth. And it's still alive. And she's just looking at me. Now you guys can see. Peanut. Now we're gonna go home. No. Drop it. No. That's gross, Peanut. That is so gross. No. Straight. Yeah. No. This dog, I swear to God. Yeah, hello G.I. Joes. What's going on? I haven't vlogged today. I'm vlogging on my phone because I don't have my camera on me. And Alex is here. And yeah, this one won't leave me alone with the grasshopper. Get away. We are on a mission to get cream soda. I want to get cream soda. Yeah, I know, they did. Actually, surprisingly. So, we went to Walgreens, we went to Walmart earlier, and then see if they have, like, huh? Where? Well, succeed! We've got the last one, Sky Guy's last, what do you call it? Sour cherry balls, whatever they're called. Sour. Cherry sours, and then I got the last 6-pack of cream soda. So good! So we're heading home. I know I haven't vlogged that much today, guys, but I've just been so exhausted, and it's been a big ordeal yesterday. So I'm putting this vlog and yesterday's vlog with this one. So, yay! I'm gonna go enjoy my cream soda. I know I'm such a terrible vlogger. I'm a lazy fuck, and work is taking up a lot of my time. Sorry, guys. It's gonna be another 3-day vlog. Yay! I know yesterday was even shorter. Yes! Everything's been short. I'm gonna get back on track, guys. Somehow, some way. Next week it's just gonna be terrible. Just terrible. So yeah, fun time. I'm getting ready for work and try to see you in a little bit. I'm stressed out. I am really stressed out because I don't know what's gonna be happening right now. I am really stressed out. There's nothing I can do. Well, just got done having a little dinner with Alex, and now I'm gonna head over to Albert's place and then go to work. Oh, what a fun day. My chest is killing me though. Like, I'm having anxiety attacks, and I hate is what I'm dealing with right now.
Look at you. Kim Boss said, Tuesday, motherfucker, this. Sure, big miss. His head did. Ah. I feel happy now. I feel relieved.
This is what I deal with all the time. Oh, is there a scratch? Okay, no.
Wait a second. He's still alive.
I bet he's gonna be so pissed once he finds this out.
You see Andrew Club
But
just
he's
fade away. He's
keeping
like,
it up.
oh shit. So, flying away.
My God, guys. I'm debating to go get something to eat or not because I don't want to keep this one up any longer. Guys, I'm back home and I'm gonna edit all the vlogs together. I know I'm 3 days late once again, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, my G.I. Joes. Getting a car wash at Taco Bell from Chris. So for her benefit. Yay, got both cars cleaned. Thank you, Chris. You're amazing. So what I have to do is thank you. Best 40 bucks spent ever. Oh, laundry. So much fun. Yeah. Not really. Yeah. Yeah, I guess. I got it over on Wrestler. Why? Running around. Now I'm gonna go grab pizza. I'm already exhausted and I have to work tonight. Yay, go me! It feels so nice that I got a clean car. I love it, and love it. I hate driving in a dirty car. I hate it. Right when I get the camera out. Really? Get. Okay, guys. Well, I'm heading home. I just got off of work. Now I'm heading home. Need to get a bite to eat. I am starving. I am hungry. I'm gonna nom nom on something. I'm gonna go to.